0.28. 0.228. Yes? So final answer?
0.9777.
Did you get this by yourself?
Yes.
So
Give me yes.
the other side.
Negative.
Okay, now let's go up.
You have to make a negative 2.
Okay, I think you for half a minute.
0, 0.
Okay, you ready, Sid?
Yes.
Okay. Now, look at a new question. You learned how to find left area, how to find right area. Now the new question. The middle area. Okay, copy this question. This is measurement. Correct. If you use English, the question says, what is the chance for the random variable? It takes a value between half and 1.5. The question is, what is the chance for you to see the random variable takes a value between 0.5 and 1.5? Now this equals the middle area between 0.5 and 1.5. First, can you graph the area? The graph is very helpful. Sometimes you can directly answer my basic question from the graph. So this time the answer is the red shaded area. This time the answer is the red shaded area. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now how do you find how much? Do you have any idea? You subtract. Okay, look, I want to understand the idea. To find the area in between, you first find the larger left area up to here, right? Then you minus the smaller left area up to here. Do you understand the idea? The remaining is the answer, correct? First, do you understand the idea?
No.
You want to know the area in between. How do you find it? You only have left area in the table. So you find the larger left area from here to here. Minus the smaller left area from here to here. The remaining is what you need. Do you understand? Okay, so tell me what minus what? 0.85. Find the answer is how much? I wait you for 2 minutes. Before you go, please make every decimal 2 decimal places in order for you to conveniently match the table value. Okay, now do that by yourself. Everybody, you have to learn how to use this table. Otherwise, you cannot go out. You have a question. Have you found the larger left area, smaller left area? Everybody work. Everybody work. Remember, you have to have a table in. If you do not have to work, make Xerox copy of table. You need it to work or homework. Please, yes, and finally that. You must have table E. Okay, tell me, the larger left area is 0.228.
0.6915.
Double check, are they correct?
Yeah, 0.6915. So how come the other one is
6, 9,
Why did he flip it?
the larger one minus smaller one.
Why the larger one? I thought 0.5 is there before the
Wait, say, what is your question?
Why the larger one? Because 0.5 is there.
What do you do? Okay, everybody look at one. You find the larger area up to here, which is this, right? You find the area up to 1.5, it's this. Then you find the area up to 0.5.
Okay.
Why did he flip it?
That's what he's explaining. That's what he's
Look at the
explaining.
graph.
Using the graph.
Okay.
You need the area in between. Your method is you find the area up to
You
the
have
larger
to
number
operate with the graph.
minus the area up to the smaller number.
Operate with the
The
graph.
remaining is what you need, correct? Do you understand the idea? Yeah, it must be larger minus smaller, then you get the positive value, right?
So he said the
So your final answer is 0.417. That's it. You cannot switch. Switch it becomes negative. The area must be positive. The area must be positive.
because if he uses smaller area, then negative.
Okay, try one more.
University.
What would the answer?
See, when they were patient, image alone.
Try one more by yourself. Have you got the answer? 95% about, right? Yeah. 954. Okay. What is the area up to 2? What is the area up to the larger number? What is the area to the smaller number? 0.028. So you get this, right? Okay. Now, do you remember that standard normal standard deviation is 1, right?
Yes.
So what does it mean? It means the chance for the random variable takes a value between 2 standard deviations from the center, 2 standard deviations below the center, 2 standard deviations above the center. About 95% chance. About 95% chance. This is what we learned before for the empirical law. Empirical law is from here. Okay. Now listen. Okay, listen. Don't waste time, please. Every class is waste a lot of time. Repeat something not good. Now you understand how to answer probability questions. Now let's learn the second kind of question. It's also very important. Just now I give you points on the z-score, on the z-axis. I ask you for the area. Now the reverse way, I give you the area. Question is, the z-score. Okay, what is the question? It says 80% chance, 80 probability the chance, 80% chance z takes a value smaller than 1 number. So now the number supposed is A. A is a z-score, particular z-score. The random variable takes a value smaller than this particular z-score. The chance is 80%. 80%. Repeat. The probability is area. Now, first question is again left area, right area. Is this probability the right area or left area to this z-score?
Left area.
Left area. First question, left area, right area. You say left area because of this symbol. Second basic question is, do you know this number is positive or negative?
Positive.
No.
Some say positive, some say negative, some say I don't know.
It's positive.
Now, why? How do you determine that? Look at this.
Based on the answer.
Less than half.
Okay, repeat. Listen. The information is, to this point, its left area is more than half. Okay, the information is, have you got the idea?
It's negative.
To the left-hand side of this point, the area is more than half. Where do you think the point is? Is point A here? Is point A here?
Right.
Should it be here?
Yes.
Because only when A is positive, then the left area could be more than half. If A is negative, the left area must be less than that. Cannot be 80%. You understand that? So you say A must be somewhere here. Last question. How do you find A? Last question, how do you find A? Now, your information, your clue is left area is 80%. Do you understand me? Your clue is its left area is 80%. Now you go to table, find left area 80%. Of course, those left area contain 4 decimal places. So you will not find this number exactly. Can you find the closest left area to this one?
Closest.
What in your body, in the body of your table, there are left areas. Can you find the closest left area to this? What is the closest left area to this? Okay, go to your table. What is the width? Have you found the closest left area?
0.85. 8.85.
Let's see.
0.85.
You go to the positive z-score, 0.84. No, to 0. Okay,
1.84.
84 now. 84 is not the closest.
0.85.
0.8.
0.85.
85 is not the closest area. Which is the closest area? 0.8. No, not the 4.
2.
Have you found the closest area?
And this one is A1.
Not the A4. A4 is not the closest.
8-4.
Is it more or is it less?
Have you found the closest left area to this point?
8-4.
Is 7.78? Is 0.78?
Do you find these two?
Yes. Yes.
These two are the closest to this 0.8, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
7.95.
Now, what is the corresponding Z space? What's that?
0.84.
8.84.
0.8. 8. This is the what?
4.
4.
That's it.
This is 5.
Yes.
So the answer is between 0.84 and 0.85, right? Okay. You have two choices. Either take average or choose the better one. Which is the better one? Which is the closer? This is closer, right?
No.
This is okay, look at it. This is 5 units below. This is 23 units above, right? So this is better, right? Okay, so you say A is this. Do you understand?
Yes.
No, it's not clear.
Yes.
It's not clear. It is when you
Okay, look at that. Let's say that.
not clear. And here you don't have
Okay, everybody concentrate. Let's work another example. You know, every class we have to waste quite a lot of time. That's not good. First, when a student came in late, disturb the class. Second, when a student talk during the class, not good. You have to concentrate. Learn to be a student. Give me a probability.
7.5. 0.75.
9.
It's slightly different than 0.8.
9.
4.5.
0.45. Okay. 0.45. What is my first question?
Less than
Right,
Left.
yes.
Left or
You
right?
got the idea. It's very important for you to determine right left because the table gives you left area only. If you need a left area, you go to table. If you need a right area, it's 1 minus table value. Do you understand me? So this is why I asked you left area, right area first. So this is left area, right area.
Left area.
It's left area because it's left area. Second question. Do you think this is a positive number, negative number?
Negative.
Right. Some
Positive.
Some student immediately say negative. Why? Okay. Because okay. Please understand the information. The information is
What do you want?
its left area is smaller than half. Left area is smaller than half. Again, where is A? It should be here, right?
Negative.
It should be negative. If it's positive, then the left area will be more than half, right? So A is negative number. Now negative how much? According to left area. Go to table, find the closest left area to this. Can you find the closest left area? You go to the negative part. 0.45.
0.6736.
0.446 is closer. 0.446 is closer.
4.5. Say you find right, you find these two are the closest.
So 0 point.
Do you see these two are the closest to left area? Now, what are the corresponding these? Negative point 1, 2,
3.
Okay, you can choose one, or you can use average.
Can use average.
If you use, okay. Can you please concentrate? Don't waste time. Every class will waste time. You can answer the question by this one, or by this one, or use average. If you want to use one, which one is better?
0.3.
This is 17 units below. This is 22 units above, correct? So this is closer. So you say A approximately equal 0, no, negative.
1, 0, 1, 3.
Or you use average. You add them, divide by 2. Either way is okay. Because it's approximation only. Either you choose the one which is closer, a little closer, or you take their average. Can you understand? Huh?
Both of them are correct? Either one?
Yeah,
Either Okay. Before we end the class, let me repeat. Please, to be a student, do not disturb class. Do not waste class time. It's not good. Okay, so today we have to stop here. See you next Tuesday. We can still go on with this. Very, very important.